Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add more than 10 photos on Instagram. So let's get started. So before we get to the uploading 10 photos on Instagram, we're just gonna go into our App Store first because it is very important that you get your Instagram updated. So just search for Instagram right here and make sure to update your Instagram right here if you have the update button just like mine, because if it is not updated, then chances are you wouldn't be able to upload more than 10 photos than what is currently available on Instagram. Because your Instagram app is outdated, it would only allow you less than 10 or equal to 10 photos. So it's very important that you update this. So let's just wait for that one to load. So now, as you can see, my update is now finished. So now I'm gonna click R, tap on open, and then from here I am now gonna straight go into the upload. So I'm gonna tap on the plus button on the bottom middle, and then from here I am just gonna go and select this icon right here just beside the camera icon on the top right, as you can see right there, so that it would open up like this. And now I can select more than 10 photos right here. So let me show you: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 right here, 12, 13, 14. The actual limit here is 20 because of our Instagram is updated. So I can go for 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now when I go to 21, it won't allow me anymore because the limit is 20 if your Instagram is updated. So all you have to do is just update that, and then you would be able to post more than 10 photos on Instagram. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.